In the fast-paced digital age of 2023, where the world seems to run on the precision of smartphones and the convenience of smartwatches, the notion of investing thousands of dollars in a mechanical timepiece might appear utterly perplexing to many. Yet, as we delve into the world of horology, we discover that watches are more than mere instruments to mark the passing of time. They are wearable works of art and coveted investments. The allure of luxury watches persists as a symbol of timeless elegance and precision craftsmanship. JaegerLeCoultre, the venerable Swiss watchmaker, earns its place at number 10 on our list of the most expensive luxury watch brands. Established in 1833 by Antoine Lecoultre in Switzerland, JaegerLeCoultre has built a reputation that transcends centuries, marking its presence as a true horological heavyweight. JaegerLeCoultre's rich heritage is adorned with numerous milestones in the world of watchmaking. Notably, the brand is celebrated for pioneering the smallest mechanical watch movement globally, a testament to their dedication to precision and innovation. Their record-breaking achievements extend to creating one of the most complicated watches in the world, showcasing the intricacy and craftsmanship they bring to each timepiece. JaegerLeCoultre's watches have adorned the wrists of legends throughout history. From silent film icon Charlie Chaplin to contemporary stars like Jay-Z and Kit Harington, the brand's allure spans generations and styles. These endorsements underscore the universal appeal of JaegerLeCoultre's timeless designs. While JaegerLeCoultre is renowned for its opulent timepieces, they also offer entry-level models that embody their signature elegance and precision. The Reverso Classic monoface stands as an excellent example, serving as an accessible gateway into the world of JaegerLeCoultre luxury. These watches can be acquired starting from a surprisingly reasonable $4,300, making the brand's exquisite craftsmanship within reach for aspiring connoisseurs. JaegerLeCoultre, with its illustrious history, pioneering spirit, and a range of exquisite timepieces, encapsulates the essence of luxury watchmaking. As we journey deeper into the world of horology, we'll explore more iconic brands and unveil the stories behind their extraordinary creations. Stick with us on this horological adventure as we continue our exploration of the most luxurious watches on the planet. Often regarded as the quintessential luxury watch brand, Rolex claims the prestigious spot at number 9 on our list of the most expensive luxury watch brands. Founded in 1905 in London by Hans Wilsdorf and Alfred Davis, Rolex has become synonymous with prestige, craftsmanship, and success. Rolex's journey began with a visionary German entrepreneur, Hans Wilsdorf, who foresaw the potential of wristwatches when they were still considered unconventional. His pioneering spirit led to the establishment of what would become a horological legend. In 1926, Rolex made history with the introduction of the first fully waterproof watch, aptly named the Oyster. Rolex's entry-level watches typically start at around $5,000, making them accessible to a broader audience of luxury watch enthusiasts. However, the brand is not only known for its affordability, but also for its exclusivity. The most expensive Rolex ever sold, Paul Newman's Rolex Daytona, fetched an astonishing $17.8 million at auction, solidifying its status as one of the most coveted watches in the world. Join us on this horological journey as we continue to unveil the world's most opulent watches. Sharing the esteemed 9th place on our list of the most expensive luxury watch brands is Jacob & Co., a brand that thrives on pushing the boundaries of traditional watchmaking. Founded by Jacob Arabeau in 1986 when he was just 16 years old, JaegerLeCoultre has emerged as a pioneer in combining horology with unconventional creativity. Jacob Arabo's journey into the world of fine jewelry and watches began as an apprentice, where he honed his skills and developed a keen eye for design. This early start laid the foundation for what would become one of the most unique luxury watch brands in the world. JaegerLeCoultre stands out not only for its exceptional craftsmanship, but also for its audacious creativity. For those who have little interest in conventional dials, JaegerLeCoultre offers an alternative universe of possibilities. Their watches are true expressions of individuality, featuring dials adorned with diverse and unexpected motifs, such as roulette tables, dragons, or even miniature pianos. One of JaegerLeCoultre's standout collections is the Astronomia, a series that redefines watchmaking standards. The prices for JaegerLeCoultre timepieces often reach and exceed the $1 million mark, reflecting the exclusivity and artistry behind each creation. Notably, the billionaire watch gained fame with a price tag of $18 million. Several of these exclusive billionaire pieces have been produced, with one notably finding a home with boxing star Floyd Mayweather. While the upper echelons of JaegerLeCoultre's watch offerings command astronomical prices, the brand maintains an approachable entry point, with watches starting at around $5,000. This allows enthusiasts to access a taste of the brand's unconventional creativity without breaking the bank. JaegerLeCoultre stands as a testament to the idea that luxury watches can be more than just timekeeping devices. They can be pieces of art that challenge conventions and inspire creativity. As we continue our exploration of the world's most luxurious watch brands, we'll uncover more stories of innovation, artistry, and elegance. These watches offer a glimpse into the fusion of horology and artistic creativity. With their audacious designs and astronomical price tags, they embody the essence of exclusivity and innovation in the world of luxury watches. As we conclude our exploration of these opulent timepieces, we can all say they are examples of how imagination and craftsmanship can redefine the boundaries of watchmaking. If you like to stay up to date with the world of luxury, keep an eye out for our next video.